Sanibonani izithandwa zami, namhlanje ngizomkhombisa ukuthi si-apply kanjani for ku-Apollo Cruise. So it's also a cruise ship. Steps sokuqala ungena Google ubhala ukuthi thabusihlalo.com njengoba ubona, bese uyehla uya lapha ezansi nangiya My Apollo Carrier. Mase ungena umchofa nansi i-advert, uchofa uclose uyivale i-advert, bese ugcina into ethi apply here, nangiya u-apply here ezansi uchofa. Mangabe usuchofa ufaka straight kwimisebenzi that available njengamanje. So iyo yonke le imisebenzi ekhona available njengamanje. So for the sake of the video, we'll make isibonelo with umsebenzi lapha ekuqaleni. So uyawuchofa and then after that you say apply. Mawuchofa apply, ngala eceleni they show you ama requirements and responsibilities, benefits kanjalo. It's basically a job description which is wenzani. Then ugcwalisa application ngala eceleni, very short. Nkosi yami, igama, ufake i-Gmail yakho, ufake the location, and then ufake i-resume yakho. So i-location yakho guys, uwena ozazi ukuthi njengoba apply nje ukuphi. So ngifake uSouth Africa in case you're in South Africa, and then uyachofa lapha u-upload i-CV yakho /resume. Mase usuyichofile then ufaka u-apply now. Njengoba nayi izike zithandwa, mangabe usuyichofile i-resume yakho. And again, into engiyenzile ukuthi I'm putting the certificate or lesson plan leni ibona lapha. I'm just trying to make sure ukuthi ngifaka something so that you guys can see which is uploaded. And then mase singenile iyasho lapha ya ukuthi isingenile, and then you press apply now. So mase usuchofile apply now, and then I don't know what was happening. I think we press it twice. Mase uchofile apply now, then you will see this text or screen success. Thank you for applying for the bachelor position. We have received the application submission to the bachelor position and will be reviewing your resume shortly. Bazobuyela kuwenakhe. So isihambile. Ngiyanithanda izingane zakwethu. Please subscribe, share, like. Yeah, kumala nkosami subscribe. Ngizokwenzela ukuthi nje next time ngiposta a video uyibone kuqala. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ngane zakwethu.